Right, so I am in a very wet Tonopandi today for the Welsh Cup tie between Cambrian and Clydach Vale and Rhyl. It is the fourth round of the Welsh Cup, so whoever wins this tie is going to the quarter-finals, so it's a massive game for both clubs. Both sides are from the second tier of Welsh football. Cambrian and Clydach are from the south, so they play in the Welsh Football League Division 1, and Rhyl play in the Cymru Alliance in North Wales. So it should be a really evenly matched. Both sides are third in their division. So yeah, I hope it's a good one. Right, so I finally arrived here at Cambrian and Clydach. Never have I been more grateful of covered stands. It is absolutely tipping down. And in all honesty, if I had to stand, I'm not entirely sure whether I'd be able to get a vlog out today because I'd be cautious of getting my camera out. So yeah. Right, teams are out for the game now. Rhyl are in the green and Cambrian and Clydach are in the light blue. Also, big shout out to the Rhyl fans who've travelled in tremendous numbers for what is a very long trip in the Welsh Cup. Right, we're ready for kick-off, and here we go. Welsh Cup fourth round is underway. Early start, can't be more than 20-25 seconds on the clock. Rhyl already having a shot at goal. Massive chance for Rhyl. How's he put that wide? Can't have been more than 3 or 4 yards out. Rhyl have by far had the better of the opening of this game. Few opportunities already. Oh, free header. Should have done better. Should have got that at least on target, really. Big chance. Oh! How has he put that wide? A huge chance for Cambrian and Clydach to go 1-0 up. They're missing sitters at both ends here. We do need more actual vocal football. Oh, another big chance there going Cambrian and Clydach's way. Another header, really should have been on target. Right, so that's half time. It's 0-0. It's been quite a 50-50 game, really. Both sides have had periods where they've been the better team, dominating. Both sides have had chances. Both sides have missed open goals as well. Reality, Cambrian and Clydach probably should be ahead. They've had a couple of headers that they should have hit the target with. Other than that, nothing really's happened. So I hope the second half is a little bit better. Otherwise, we're going to extra time and pens. Right, the teams are back out for the second half. Hopefully it should be a little bit more entertaining than the first half, otherwise we're ending in a 0-0 draw. So, big half for both teams now as they want to keep going in the Welsh Cup. Ooh. Shot from distance. Right, I've just missed one of the best goals I've ever seen live. He's just chipped the keeper. It was at least sort of 30-40 yards out and he's chipped the keeper and I've missed it because I'm talking crap. I am absolutely livid with myself because this... Right, well, it's 1-0 to Cambrian and Clydach either way. Oh, dangerous free kick now for Cambrian. Right, big chance now. Could go 2-0. Oh, right, whether people agree or not, but everyone has their opinion about 3G pitches. Okay, Cambrian and Clydach have one, but with the weather being as it is, if this wasn't a 3G pitch, I think it would be 50-50 on whether it was waterlogged and wouldn't be able to play. So, whatever your opinions are of them, at least it always means the games are on, because it is absolutely tipping down. Brilliant, I've missed both of the goals so far. It's 1-1. Counter attack down the left hand side, he beats his man, pulls a low cross in across the box and he taps in at the far post. The Rhyl fans are going absolutely wild. Rhyl at the post. How's he given that as a goal kick? I don't really know how he's given that as a goal kick. That was one of the most obvious deflections I've seen for a while. Should have been a corner. Oh! Great save from the keeper. Oh! And he nearly slipped and let that one in. I think there's about 10 minutes left of this. Rhyl doing all the pressing, still 1-1. Not the most convincing saves, but he keeps it out. Still 1-1. Oh! Looping header hits the crossbar. Cambrian player is livid that it's not a corner. Free kick on the edge of the area. There can't be that many more than about 5 minutes left to go.
Flat score saying 86.
Big chance to potentially win it here. Oh, on the bad strike there. Right, we're into added time now. Oh. Right, so that is full time 1-1. We are now heading to extra time to determine who goes through to the quarter-finals of the Welsh Cup. Both sides had a few chances in that second half. Realistically, probably both should have scored more than they did, but we're level now, so that's probably about the right result. So, big period of extra time now to come. Really good bit of play going forward there from Rhyl. Unlucky with how it ended up. Ooh. Rhyl coming close there. Oh, that could have gone anywhere then. And that's half time and extra time. And it's still 1-1. Right, we're back under the way in the second half of extra time now. Oh! Rhyl at the bar. Oh, good block. There's a real scramble there. Rhyl could have scored it at the bar. Cambrian are attacking his 3-on-2. And there it is. 2-1 to Cambrian and Clydach. Be about 12 minutes left in extra time. Good counter-attack move. Whenever you're attacking 3-on-2, it's going to be harder to not score than score. Great move, potentially sees them through to a quarter-final. Right, corner to Rhyl. Oh, 2-2. Unmarked in the box, slots it home. Rhyl fans going absolutely mental. Smoke bombs going off. I'm loving it. Two. Right, it's a corner for Cambrian and Clydach now. Pretty much straight after Rhyl scored. Oh, 2 goal line clearances, keep it at 2-2. Went for the overhead. Right, that is full time in extra time, and it has finished 2-2. So we're heading to a shootout to determine who goes through to the quarter-final of the Welsh Cup. Right, so we're ready for the shootout now. Rhyl taking first. Oh! He totally blazed that over. Early advantage already to Cambrian and Clydach. Cambrian and Clydach now with a chance to put it 1-0. There we go, 1-0 at the shootout. Right. And it's saved. Rhyl missed both of their first 2 penalties. And there's already a chance for Cambrian to go 2-0 up in the shootout. Right, big chance to go 2-0 up now in the shootout. Slots it away, good pen. Already now, Rhyl have to score. Right. Rhyl score 2-1 in the shootout now. Cool as you like. 3-1 in the shootout. Rhyl have to score. And it's all over. Cambrian and Clydach win 3-1 on penalties. Through to the quarterfinals of the Welsh Cup. Commiserations to Rhyl. Probably edged it in extra time, but not on shootout. Right, so that was Cambrian and Clydach against Rhyl in the Welsh Cup. It was a really entertaining game. First half was pretty poor, really. Second half, 2 good goals. There was a screamer from Cambrian, which I never managed to get, and then I caught the end of Ryl's equaliser. Extra time then, two short fire goals then to take it to 2-2, and then shootout's always a lottery, and this time Cambrian and Clydach ended up on top. But fair play to Rhyl. They gave it their all. Their fans have turned out in really good numbers, considering it's such a big trip down South Wales. Probably outnumbered the whole home fans, really. So yeah, hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time.